Yeah.
No, love, holy for blessing, you know.
Yes, guys. So Jamaican uncle sent a donation to help out his project, which is we have 29,000 a year, you know, to help out Worship on his project.
Man.
So count that says 29,000 from Jamaican uncle.
Jamaican uncle, Jamaican uncle. Twice, man. I say it's setting, you know.
Yeah. I make Orlando buy one for you.
Yeah.
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 All right. So Orlando, have a donation here, you know, from Will. When say you must buy a radar for you, and you must keep the rest, you know, for yourself. So we have $14,000 a year from Will from Canada.
Okay.
You know, so you must buy the radio, and the rest is for you.
I received 14,000 for Patrick from Will from Canada. Yeah.
All right. So we have a donation from country, which is $15,000. You know, to help out to the book list for the little girl.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, blessed love, guys, blessed love. Welcome to Keen Life in Jamaica. You know, blessed love. And I thank all of you guys, you know, I thank you so much, you know, for your condolences. You know, we thank you, we appreciate love, you know, all the blessings, you know, the condolence, you know, that you sent out. And I know a lot of you guys, you know, really felt what everyone is going through. You know, I really appreciate that so much. You know, thanking you so, because Leader is a very, I'm saying he's a good guy. He's well loved by the community. He's that jovial, you know, he's funny, you know. So he's someone that everyone really miss right now, you know. And I know you guys can see the same of everyone that comes out and show the support. Yes, guys, so I'm literally just gonna grab something to eat, you know. So I'm gonna head down to Ital Spice, you know, which is downtown Orange Street, you know, where Ital Spice do the Ital food, Ital vegan food, you know. So I'm heading down there now to grab something, you know. Also, its sip is so wonderful. Its sip tastes so good as well too, you know. Sip, normally some people use fish tea for sip, but his Ital sip is so nice, you know, and it's food. So I'm gonna take you guys on the journey, you know. And so guys, I'm saying I cannot thank you guys so much, you know, for the support that you guys been giving us, you know, on this journey looking for my friend, you know. So we truly lost someone that's special to us, you know. And we meant to play a tribute as well too, you know, because we did get a football game, but it was rain as well too after the 9 nights, so that game have to be postponed until weekend because of rain as well too, you know. So planning to pay a tribute to him at the football, you know, and we want to dedicate this, you know, tournament to him, you know. Really going to try our best, you know, to win this tournament for him as well too, you know, because trust me, he's a big vocal point in this football team, you know. He's the one that gets the psych up with his, you know, with his laughter and his joy and everything. So he's really, I'm telling you, he's gonna miss so much, you know. He's really gonna miss so much, I'm telling you. So Leader, you know, rest in peace. We're here for you, bro. Yes, really here. Words cannot really explain everything that we really want to say. I hope you guys understand. So it's just not been great. So we're gonna stand strong and fight for this for you, bro. You know, and we're watching. over us. I know you're watching over us, leader. So, and we're gonna be there still in the goal, because trust me, no one cannot replace you. You're still in that goal with us. So, I don't think anyone should score any goal on us while you're still there. Lick out the ball. Hey, yes, guys. Alright, so remember, guys, whenever you're watching, we're asking you please, to put the thumbs up, whenever you're watching the program. Once you enter, just put the thumbs up, because that helps the program grows, it helps the program grow, algorithm will recognize it, I don't know if they always keep reminding you guys, and I see a lot of people say, oh, you should have this more than this by now, but nothing done before the time, the Almighty, know what He's doing, so nothing done before the time, I will give thanks. I am grateful, for what I have already, the amount of subscribers, so I'm grateful for everything that's in life right now, so I give thanks. So guys, remember, please, whenever you're watching us, put the thumbs up, I'm grateful for that as well, and I appreciate of you giving me the support by putting the thumbs up, it helps the program grows, so always remember, first thing to do whenever you come on Kino Life in Jamaica is to put the thumbs up, and keep it positive, because this is what it's all about, positivity. So if you're new and you're expecting negative on this channel, it's not the channel for you to come and get that from. It's all positivity. That's all we need over your positivity. Only love and love alone, that's what creates. So I'm on the journey, guys, so I'm heading to Ibo Spice. I'm heading to Ibo Spice to get myself some food, some Ital food. So I'm here on Marcus Garvey Drive, heading to Ibo Spice. So I'm heading into downtown, going up Orange Street, because Ibo Spice is located on 131 Orange Street. You can also check him out on Instagram as well too. Ibo Spice, IBO Spice, SPICE. So you can check him out on Instagram. You can follow his movement. If you're into healthy food, trust me, it is the place to be whenever you come in Jamaica, or if you're already in Jamaica, check out Ibo Spice, where everything is healthy and right, So remember, the secret to life, to being healthy and looking that young, is to eat healthy. You understand? Is to eat healthy. So that's the secret to life. Because them say they cannot have wealth without health. So anyway, take it. Health come first. Health come before all the money we you want to make. Because you have health if you make the money. Because you cannot unhealthy and make money. How that's gonna work? You're gonna be sick and cannot work to get the money. So you have to make sure, say, your inside is healthy as the outside. You want to look good, so make the inside look good also. So your food, it help you. You get me? Eat right, you think right, so your mind is right. So that's it. So all of these negative guys, people where you see negative because they're not eating right, so the mind is all caught up negative. Yeah, so we are downtown right here. So I'm taking you guys on the journey.
Peace. Hi, Bo. You have a food, you know?
These are the food prices, guys. So these are the food prices, guys. So if you're not Iowa Spice, you know, basically you get the healthy food, everything healthy here. You have sip as well. Right now, oh, I'm never tried the porridge yet, you know. You try the porridge as well, too. And the food as well. Yeah. Alright. So guys, I'm gonna try the porridge. I never tried the porridge before, so I'm definitely gonna try the porridge as well. Food prices, so let's take here around the yard, so our culture, guys. Culture living. So it's all a culture living, you know. Right, on the vibe is nice, the vibe is right, and I was right.
No, but I learn because I go in a Christian home.
Yeah, all I know.
I know fight to get over to Rastafari.
Well, look up here, you know.
Very soon.
Yeah, me.
Part and charge man.
Yeah. Come through the fire the first.
Aye.
Parents, them are denying you.
So guys, so this is the peanut, this is the porridge. I bought peanut, right?
Oh, aye, yeah, peanut, platinum, banana.
Oh, says peanut, platinum, and banana. So guys, it says peanut, platinum, and banana porridge. This this on top is molasses. So where you see the brown, that's molasses on top as well. So peanut, plantain, and banana.
Irish about?
Irish, they call it Irish. This is so nice, so nice. But everything here is just Ital right, you know. Peanut, plantain, and banana, and molasses. Chickpeas, pumpkin, coconut. So guys, we have chickpeas, we have ackee with okra, we have lettuce, we have beetroot, coconut, chickpea, pumpkin, and we have red peas. And you have what the ground provide underneath it as well too, with mushrooms. So it's a mixture, you know, of everything inside of it, all healthy food. You know, you have your lettuce, you have your pumpkin, you have the avocado, you have the chickpeas, you have the red peas, you have the ground provide, you have ackee. Also, you have mushroom as well too. Isn't it? With dasheen and everything underneath it. You know, with it. And you got your coconut as well too. And your tomato, you have the lettuce. Just take a good look. Take a good look. So imagine that inside here right now, you know. I remember I just had that peanut porridge with plantain and banana with the molasses they use to sweeten it, with the coconut milk. You know, look at coconut face. Here about your coconut. So I'm not having the breadfruit burger today, which is Iga, you know. So I'm having this. You know, I'm gonna grab myself some sea moss juice and then we could think this. So. Hey, boy, you have herbal yet?
I think so.
Eh? Yeah.
Make it door come up. Keep a pump from me hand. Glass is not.
Yeah, man, that's how I see my shit for the
Right.
How is juice that?
That one the mango sour sap. We have mango sour sap, we have herbal lead, we have sea moss, we have
Alright, give me three.
ginger beer.
Even the herbal here, the one of that and the sea moss.
I think food and here.
Come get it, just get it.
Okay. So you want to try the juice?
Yeah.
Herbal lead, mango sap.
Yeah. I got one bag to put it in a place. Guys, so I'm getting the herbal lead, the sea moss with the spirulina, you know, and the mango and sour sap. So, and I just had my peanut porridge. So this will be for me, for my lunch. So imagine how many things that white pack, you know, pack like 6 pack. So this is the yard, you know. Yard. So take another look, guys. Let's take another look on this. Cheese. So right. Mommy, I know if you're watching it, you'll be like, you know, I need that right now, you know. So I know my mommy should love the healthy eating as well too. So nice. So we got the 3 drinks then. Sea moss, herbal lead, and the mango sour sap. So you call it mango sap?
Yeah.
Yes. Right, so that is me well set now. So yes, I'm gonna shout out, you know, so yes, so that is it for me for today. I have a movement in there. More straight. Yes, sir. That is me. So go, yeah? Go on with the thing, yeah?
Yeah, man, out there.
Alright. Well guys, so I ended up here in Trenchtown. Pasta, no pasta. Yes guys, so I'm here in Trenchtown, and while I'm here, I'm gonna head to Spanish Town. Hopefully the rain is not kicking up over there because that direction kinda looks slightly dark. You know, so I'm going to give a donation to Wow Chef, and then I'm going to head to that direction and see if we can beat the rain, you know, to come back, you know. So yeah man, so Wow Chef, come here. So again, hold the camera ready for me.
You make it plot? No, me tell you silver.
You thought Vibes Cartel. Alright, so I have 2 donations here for your Wow Chef.
Up there, assistant over there.
Yeah. I have 2 donations here for you to help out with the project.
Yes, man.
And this is from Jamaican Uncle. Remember Jamaican Uncle?
Jamaican uncle.
You remember Jamaican?
Journalist. Yeah man, I believe it's about for a long time.
How long now?
How long now? That's about from last year or
Nah, man, Jamaica uncle, the big man with the day over there. We keep the treat.
Oh, sorry about that, brother, man. I not pick up, man. You know, so days and months when I see you, you know.
Days and months.
Yeah, so I say, come on, you see, Jamaican uncle, big up, you know.
Yeah.
My Jamaica, you hear that?
Yeah.
Enough love, holy for blessing, you know.
Yes, guys, so Jamaican uncle sent a donation to help out his project, which is, we have 29,000 a year, you know, to help out worship on his project.
Man.
So, count that says 29,000 from Jamaican uncle.
Jamaican uncle, Jaja, Jamaican uncle. Twice, man, I say it's setting, you know.
That's 29,000 from Jamaican uncle.
Jamaican uncle. Holy for blessing, enough love, man, you see me? Project go and see, man, and finish it upon, man.
Yeah.
Up and running, man, finish it upon, you know. Blessed love, you know.
And guys, remember, Jamaican uncle is also a YouTuber, you know, so you can check out his channel, Jamaican uncle. Just remember now, so you know, worship are getting an age now, so.
Yeah, man, I said, got all, you know.
Yeah.
Up a beer, drink out here, you know.
Yeah.
See it. So not no Jamaican uncle, man. General, man. Big up yourself, you know.
Yeah.
All for blessing, man, yeah. Enough love.
Yeah, man, so Jamaican uncle, you know, worship are getting an age, you know, him too fly past your age.
Yeah. Straight, you see.
Yeah. So alright then, so we'll give us a guide and you can check out Jamaican Uncle in a YouTube channel. You know, most of you already know him, you know. He's been doing some great work as well to helping out each other. You know, we thank him so much. Jamaican Uncle, big up yourself every time. So guys, you can go over there and check out this channel, you know, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to Jamaican Uncle. Alright then, so chef, I got another donation for you from Miss Mavis. Miss Mavis from the UK.
Miss Mavis from the UK.
Yes, so it's $9,000.
See me, I say, Miss, enough love and blessing.
Yeah, so this $9,000 from Miss Mavis from the UK.
9,000 from Miss Mavis from the UK. Nine. UK, you know.
Miss Mavis.
Miss Mavis from the UK. You should stand for which side of there, you know. Holy for love, you know, you hear that?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you see. Big up yourself, you know, Miss Mavis from the UK. Holy for blessing, yeah. Enough love, you know. And the project not done it, you know, soon. But
Yeah.
I'm going to take time until we finish it up. Thank you very much. Yeah, Miss Mavis from there.
Alright, so we give thanks to Miss Mavis from the UK. You know, we thank you so much for blessing worship to helping out this project. You know, guys, and so we're going to head to Spanish Town to see the Blind Brothers and Gracery. You know, so hopefully we're not going into it in the rain, you know. The sun is out, so the sun is out this side. So you know, while it's out this side, somewhere else it can be raining because it's the rainy season now in Jamaica. So hopefully we don't caught up in no rain.
Spanish Town.
Yeah.
It now rainy there, so in a town of Spanish Town.
Yeah.
See me, I say.
And we have boom here.
See?
We have boom.
Let's say one love. There, man, family. On the battlefield, say the way, one love.
Yes.
Bless it.
Chocolate.
Jamaican uncle,
Chocolate.
man, you know?
Remember Jamaican uncle?
Man, drive a taxi car and buy with the beer, man, and we go left the beer, man, and go to the last time that I see him.
Yeah.
Bless it. No, one love.
Alright, guys. Eh? Who? Cardell. Colors is out. Give me? Yeah.
So if I get him, not again.
Oh, colors, but just see, put up your clocks on the old stuff. See, yeah. Where you sun it. Colors. Yeah, colors are sunny desert clocks, you know. Sunny desert clocks. I mean colors. My sunny desert clocks. I try to go over so you know. Right, so we're gonna head to Spanish Town. You know. Quick and fast.
You know, him say know a good from England, bro. I don't know where you pick up. Cardell him name.
Cardell.
It's a theme name. I see
You
him.
see him airport.
Yeah, he came in when? He came in, I think, last week.
Oh.
This is his number. No, as a girl will come pick him up.
Yeah.
I just take that number there. Don't think yesterday, me and her attack. I tell her, I say, you know, I don't see Kino.
Telephone for your boom?
When I get the number, I don't see Kino, you know. But something terrible reached my airport Monday.
See that number, put it in.
Are you listening to what I'm saying?
Yeah, what happened?
I get Hig over there.
Here you go.
It was a lot of rain over there Monday gone. Yeah, soak. Catch all here go.
So why you still in the rain?
No, God, yeah, between me, guess what go on? They must say, they say why when rain with me, I'm 6'6", so they say that my immune system is very weak, you get what I'm saying? So I need vitamin iron.
Yeah,
that girl over there, she have to give me some iron, she give me some, rub me up with some alcohol and give me a couple tablet. I saw me a tremble like leaf, bro. Soak, because I guess I know. When it was raining over there, you know, my daddy and I say, yo, I can't make the rain here. I fall, so I'm, you know, me not go look no money. So the credit union when me join over there, you know, the lady who's the manager over there, she came in on the Canada flight.
Yeah.
So when she saw me, she was excited. Oh my gosh, Juki, what's up and whatever. So me and her and she and her daughter go down the credit union, take the luggage them inside. So while we in there, we holding a conversation, like I was saying, no man, me can't there. So I talk to Miss Maxine, and no money in my pocket. So I said, Miss Maxine here, I go on and go save me see anybody with me know.
Yeah.
So she take my number and say, Colors, when my daughter come around with the vehicle, I'm gonna shout you.
Yeah.
So meanwhile going out there, you know, I see a girl now need help. Them time the rain are poor, you know. So hear me to her, excuse me, could I help you with those luggages? She was saying, are you serious? I said, yes. She said, go get them. You know, it's when we go to the first two. Them heavy, you know.
Yeah.
But I want the money. So me have to, you see, by the time we reach the car and start pack, me soak already, you know. The rain fall for roughly about 2 hours.
Yeah.
So I was soak wet.
So you know, next time you know, say stay far from the watercolors.
Chimble, I start chimble like leaves.
I'm a person for see every time.
Oh, you take the wrong one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. There it is 876.
Yes, guys. So colors, them saying catch. Here you go. You know if him system not too good already. We have Talpi over here.
Oh, but you want to pick up the extended, you know.
Which one? I have so much.
74. Because you know, excuse me, extended family. True, I was giving out a number to get keen, you know. I'm so sorry. Me have to big up, you know. Even last night I was talking about you people. Yeah, man, big up everybody in London, New York. Everywhere in the world. One thing with them, you know, Kino, so long as they get outside and they start colors, you know, you know how money that, you know. Yeah, them not, that's why I have to love, you know, so. They not come outside and they not give me even a £5.
Yeah.
And they ain't giving me £5. 10 or 20.
So
yeah, man. So extended family, big up. Yeah.
Alright, Colors,
yeah, man. So, you can link. No,
yeah, me call him.
Yeah, man. Him say he live in England. You know him, man.
The name ring a bell still. The name ring a bell. Alright then, guys. So, talk in the Spanish town, you know.
Spanish town?
Yeah.
So, what I'm saying, you never try go English town, just Spanish town?
I try to learn Spanish.
Oh, okay. You already, okay.
Let me try.
English town, innit?
No, we already know the English, so I want to learn the Spanish.
Okay.
Yes. So that's what I'm going to eat.
Full black today?
Yes. Undercover, you know.
Okay. That was start. The bicycle.
I don't have
These are
a family man. A family man.
a G live this up?
No,
Who live this up? Who live this up?
Sonny. You know,
Hold on,
Sonny.
what's this Sonny for?
You remember Sonny?
Hold on.
Thank you, my man.
So Buka, how you reach down here? A bicycle ride?
No, they can be this right.
This?
They can be this right.
Morning, Swagwan, are you
Your family?
Yeah.
This a ride?
You remember your family? Family son, you know? You remember family?
Eh?
You remember auntie family?
I want to son.
Yeah, man, I saw it. I know that.
Family son.
Jeff for them boy.
Alright. Alright.
Mother
Yeah, man, it's my granny.
I'm a blend them.
Are your family them?
Mother family them man.
Yeah, I'm there, I'm come more time than
I'm
I
a place look I know that place.
Oh, no, yeah, right.
Yeah, my mom, there, man.
I'm family son, you know?
Yeah, no start.
How your family, you know? You know what?
family
I'm
too?
pass every day right there.
Alright.
Yeah, my mother have a true, no.
Yeah. I'm very look for you know.
So I'm value
Very look for
Are your mother pitney?
No man, my mother people him.
Oh, so you're value one?
If you call him cousin,
Okay, so imagine that, you're my general.
I tell you.
And you so always a pass, I don't know, so that's your family.
Good day, man.
Good though.
Yeah, man.
Good though, man. Oh, yeah, all up there.
Why more some food and some other stuff? But let me just see you back.
You want some food?
Yeah, man, want some food. When I father, you know what I mean? Want some food, man.
Oh, and get some groceries and them something there.
Yeah.
I'm blessed with something still, though. It's like a family, so imagine that, a family. You know? Small world.
Yeah, man.
Very, very small
Yeah,
world.
man.
You know, so I'm saying, hopefully this can get help out 2,000.
Thanks.
What's your name again?
My name Bev, but they
Bev.
call me Sweeney in a place.
Sweeney.
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, imagine this is Wow Chef family as well. You know, all the time we've been passing, Wow Chef pass this lady, they never know their family. Till when them say, Buka.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
That Buka always. Because your family is also on the program as well, so it's virally, you know.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
mother. If you watch the program,
Enough of them, enough of them, boat, man.
So how long you live here now?
Long time I live here. From my mother live here. So I live here. My mother paid. So I still live here.
Same way. So from your little girl, lad?
Yeah, from my little girl, I live here.
So over here is like what? Capture land, right? So you just build up and
Yeah,
things.
we build up.
So we can understand the struggle over here, because you can see the struggle is rough though. Let me see how you do your little hustle. You sell your soap and them little thing
Yeah,
there.
look at him, but sometimes it's slow.
Yeah. Yeah, man, so these guys will give thanks, you know, so I'm say people are going through it rough, same way, you know, the Wow Chef. And she said she's not asking for much, you know, some food, groceries, you know, gonna get blessed with little groceries, so whenever, you know, we try and get some groceries for you, we try to bless you, you understand? So, as I said, me and that could have blessed you right now, so hopefully next time we can get you some groceries.
I found you, I look up here and we're raining on me and say, look like, you know.
Yeah, because through the rain, see, I'm really to come over here from them time there.
Yeah.
You know, so the rain still a fall, see me, so
we are getting said we are.
luckily the little sun out today.
That's why me I wash all the clothes.
Yeah.
I put out.
Might as well, man. Boy, are your family still? Okay, son?
Yeah.
Okay, big up. See your family there too, you know?
Yeah, man, look at you.
Oh man, the blue shirt, me I tell. Are your family, lad?
Eh? Family, big man.
Yeah, man. You know, say, Mama Lita, my grandmother, you know.
Yeah, my granny told Mama, Miss Simon, we're dead.
Yeah, and Mama Merle, Flurry,
And the Flurry, and the wall of them.
Valerie,
Lily, the wall of
Lily.
them. Yeah, wall of them.
People pass out, yes, I don't key, no.
All the time we pass out right there, so.
Never know, him go sick. I believe in my yard last night, in my yard. We had a party last night and the man there dancing with girl, you know. And I said, boom, come here, man. go come and say boom. I say boom. How that alien this man say yes our family. We look about me come around and still you know. The son but on bottom still.
Yeah man, cool now.
Yeah son.
Yeah.
And no star. Jamaica you man.
Yeah, man.
Real family then cafe mama little my grandmother you know. La fair granny to say
Blood family, you know? Family too?
hey sister. Hey family.
Niece.
Yeah, niece.
No star.
So what if you have pure family over here, wow?
Yo, I never know that.
A lot of family over here, wow. Oh, she have a lot of family over here, boy.
I never know, brother, I'm a member.
Yeah.
So, Buka, are the boys clear right come over here?
Thank you, man.
If you're ready,
You're the one mash up. Did the man carry a wheel come, man? Did the man carry a wheel come, man, and stuck back again? Stuck again.
Very far.
look at that, you see the white.
Family too?
Oh. Again. And him name,
Finger, me a weed.
So, when you pass through again, me there, you know.
Yeah, man.
I got some clothes.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, we there, man.
Alright, yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man, alright.
When I grab on them there, I got there, no.
There.
Alright guys, so we're here in Spanish Town, you know. And you know, Wow Chef, imagine we always pass the lady there, sit down, you know, and Wow Chef did never even know that's his family. You know, we have to say Gracie first. Oh, she not there. Oh, Miss Gracie not there here. Look like she gone hustle. Miss Gracie! It's locked on our door. Look like Miss Gracie gone on the road. Gone do her hustle. The phone in the car, you know. Get the phone in the car for a car and see where she is, you know. Hold on a bit. Go for the phone.
Yeah, man. In America, they have the last one, smaller.
I'm trying to ring Miss Gracie. Come here. Miss Gracie. Hello? Or go on a key now. Where they are? I'm at your yard, but you're not here. They left. Oh, do you want help? Okay, I'm going to see the blind brothers. Them time be there. Come on the front, come help you out. You didn't know? Hey, you didn't know? Alright then. Water in the yard. Anytime rain fall, the yard is always like this way.
Dump up, brother. Dump up, man.
Yard one dump up.
Charles. Go on.
Dump up.
Yeah, definitely.
Patrick!
Yeah, Patrick, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, go on.
Yes, sir. Respect.
Guys, I drink some porridge.
Yeah, respect.
Respect.
Respect, yeah.
Yes, I. Orlando.
Yeah, man, respect.
Good. You want to feed off in face?
Yeah, man, I just look over a couple of shit for them,
Oh.
Yeah.
Charles, relax. Yeah, go and relax.
Easy lie down like relax.
Yeah.
I don't put a move on the yard.
Yeah, go on the road.
Normally they on the road, you know. Yeah, man. It's a man who don't sit down out on the front.
On the phone?
Yeah, man.
Okay,
but you can get sickly, you know.
Yeah.
You can't do nothing more than 10 a yard.
Okay, so they like the start out now? They like the start?
Oh, with my part, no, you know, I may not do it all now. I have boy I can do it, but I may not do it yet. I just may not do it yet.
You must do it, man. Do it, do it.
Yeah, like that. But through my time, so if I run part, my father have access to the light part.
Yeah.
So I may not do it yet.
So like running,
like there, so I just the plug me tell them say I run with ball up and socket.
beat man for beat man. So you ready? Let me know you ready to play.
Ready did them see me, man. Like.
You ready to play that? No man, I'm turn on it, man.
You want this entertainment program?
Remember him say in the same one to read it though?
Yeah.
In the same one?
want a small reader.
So you want a small reader, Patrick?
Yeah.
Oh.
I want to link up. Come here. Stop in next.
Well, I make you get a small reader here?
Yeah.
I make Orlando buy one for you.
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright, so Orlando, have a donation here, you know, from Will. When say you must buy a reader for you, and you must keep the rest, you know, for yourself. So we have $14,000 a year from Will, from Canada.
Okay.
You know, so you must buy the radio, and the rest is for you.
I received $14,000 for Patrick from Will from Canada. Yeah, many thanks and respect.
Yeah, so you say you must buy the radio.
Yeah.
Yeah. 14.
Yeah.
From Will from Canada.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So with that now, you say you must buy the radio and you just
keep the change.
Yes, you know. So help out same way, because you know that you always been helping out. Yeah. Right, Patrick, so you're gonna get your radio?
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, man. Yeah. So it's a nice radio.
Respect.
Yes, I.
Yeah, man, Patrick, man, is it? Big up yourself, you know. Big up, man, Patrick, man. I get the radio, man.
Drink some calming pearls.
Next week, we look for the radio.
Orlando, look for the radio for you, yeah?
Yeah. Orlando, I want 2 trucks, not even trucks. Some bar load, you know, a couple bar load.
Oh, man, some gravel in the yard.
Yeah, some sand, throw the gravel on it, some sand for us.
So when the rain fall in here,
Sandra to the Andy better. I don't know here.
His Grace sister should have come across the line, so we'll have to help her, you know. So
she dep on her way come now?
Yeah.
Oh.
So she have come through the lane. Now which lane that?
Yeah, boy, will the lane round there? Oh, she have come from Uptown?
Me know which part she said. She said she live near.
She have come from Uptown, she have moved for there out of chain line front.
Train line front.
You know, real lane?
Yeah.
Yeah, but we don't know which direction really she come from now, because she cannot come from south or south.
They can't take from down this and come up.
No, she wouldn't walk there, so. To stay to she would walk. More so.
So?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll check for now.
I say we can help her come over here.
Yeah. Alright then. Charles!
Yeah, take care, yeah.
Take care, yeah?
Okay, I know you can't say come get into it.
Yeah, man.
Here?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, for sure, yeah.
Alright then,
Yeah, thanks again.
Yes, Charles.
Charles, I go and relax, you know.
Yeah, man, I relax.
Charles say, I go and relax, you know the thing go. Normally Charles would walk up and down, but Charles say, I go and relax, you know.
75 now.
75 now?
You're not thinking rich. My 70 hard, but you're not thinking rich. It's 75.
So Ireland not too sure.
No, we have to check in birth paper if you really remember or you really go.
Alright then. So we gotta check on Grace, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes, Patrick.
Alright.
Well, Ireland, you've got to deal with this in the area, pure water.
Can try to do what I can here for the, you know?
Orlando, come show me which part you talk, which part you come from. You can walk?
Which part the parking vehicle?
Yeah.
Should I come? I don't know if you know any car, shortcut to go back to really.
That's what I say. Walk.
Come in, come show.
Come show her. Oh, just as I was boom there. Well, the sun come out today. We have some clothes some cloud that way. Yeah. Let's see if I see this. Yeah. Crazy.
Ask her which angle she have to walk from.
Yeah, all unless I which angle I walk from. Okay, she right to my plate domino. She said, okay, front.
Oh, right in
yeah, she reach at the front. Alright, I walk across. Rich. Hey, can't you want to sit down?
But he will give me trouble like, you know. When me push it, it go down nearly I went last week Thursday. They go up on the road. And I come back and a little boy help me. And the way I push and it go so. Go down there, go to me put Ben and I will under you so.
Oh, I saw it's a real chair design. A design flexible.
Yeah.
Me say, I don't know.
So you have to kind of
balance it, yeah.
Yeah.
Manage
space.
Yeah, sit down,
you should be.
Yeah. Me can't have the balance I put a kill me. They said we got the ultrasound for the foot.
Yeah.
But it is expensive bad. Expensive bad man. I'm blood test, heart test, everything. We go do. Push up and do it. When I push up, going to go to water with me.
Actually, you don't understand it.
No, I understand it, man.
Yeah, I tell her, I push now.
I don't understand. Only one somebody needs to push it, isn't it? And he manage it. And I hear my son.
Because he know for balance it.
Put them up. Hey! Up here.
Take your time, man.
Touch me. Oh, you put two of them put.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Put.
Tired this man. I want our man.
What do we do this?
Yeah, man, turn it for him.
This
yeah, turn it so.
Oh, like so push on her foot.
Yeah, yeah. No, man, turn it next way.
Yeah.
This one of it.
Yeah, and that for turn so.
Well, I have to put my foot there.
Brother, I'm only dealing with it, my friend. I'm not dealing with the broke pocket reason and the eagle thing. For that money, we don't want to hear no more.
There.
Because you can make some money.
Oh.
You see? The dong the set up.
Oh,
You see?
it's far to look like your wheel not make good.
It's a big trouble.
You see through your wheel not high.
I make it
It come like it harder for sure.
We are putting
When the wheel high, it's easier for sure.
enough money to enough money to the gun and I go to.
You feel more pressure upon that one more than the next trouble on them.
But you know the money to
Yeah, I tell you, I know if it's steer, but this feel different from the next one. The feel I feel I use more power in my hand. Yeah, because it's lower.
We go back here.
Oh, sure. Around where I
No
carry?
man, you're right.
Oh.
Right here.
Me ask her.
I'm right, just go for it.
Whoa, back here, man.
Go back with
Back here. I almost give me a heart attack a while ago. I'm smelling trouble, but back here, man. Well, relax. I learned they're too strong, boy.
Alright, let's come up. Take time crab rest. Time I'm rest, I'm tired. May I rest
Well, catch that way. Yeah, put on and catch them.
Yeah man, thanks.
So you can manage to spin around and
Yeah
walk?
man, may take time crab, but like the man crab, thanks, God bless you. Yeah man, me I give God thanks in the tag me problem me have one ultrasound and say me go up on the foot. How 20,500. The test and the other test was about $2,000. the heart test and the blood test every 3-5. So, you know, that's not so bad. What are the ultrasound one?
So with the ultrasound on your leg?
Yeah.
Oh, they want to see like the blood circulate and everything.
If no, the doctor say at 3 say type me up go do. But he must send me go do, make me make you know say me have money. We do so much. He say me have to do it. I have to get him circulation stacking. For the foot them.
Okay. The stacking you pull on the foot.
Yeah.
Oh.
They want to keep them swelling.
Yeah.
The one them have to.
Okay.
But me know God is good enough. Me tell you something. Me and my son carry me go down a plaza go do something and my little granddaughter text him for a little friend. Come from school and vomit. So me tell him say leave me and go on and say how you gonna manage mommy? Me say listen me I faith do this thing. God I go work and send somebody. And God really send somebody push me come right a really in this so. And then me take time and come in and one man help me cross the line and soon God make me come. So God good.
Oh, so since today she start feel sick?
Yeah,
since
that's
today.
cool. I send a teacher call and send her to come here.
Oh.
I send for her.
Oh.
So, give thanks.
So did she get her books them?
No, she not get all of them.
She not get all of them. Okay.
I can send the book list to you.
Yeah. We get the donation to help out with the books them.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
So you have someone will buy them?
Yeah man, our father no make your father go buy them.
Our father.
Yeah, she not big enough for can monitor in a bookstore.
So well, you know. As I tell you, the store I tell you them. But we have to give the God thanks because God take me so far and now leave me alone.
Yes.
You know?
True.
And he says, seek ye first the kingdom of God and all his righteousness and everything. And right now, if I'm not God, because my children are not help me, they're not having a position to help me. Nikisha father, that little girl, in trying best. You know, they not, but the big one not help me. Not the time for me. I tell you, I beg him push me out the road. He say, man, people not wired. Say, nah, good on so. I say, God help me to go road and come back.
Yeah. How you got to go to hustle?
No, man. Me can't manage just again and somebody promise me something and I go for.
Okay.
So me there, I give thanks. You know, me glad how the two brothers them I get through in the car. Me I tell you, Charles I'm a big friend. For a long time.
Yeah.
And Patrick. Me and Patrick are friend, but me and Charles are friend.
Me and Charles are more friend. Because Charles are already up on the road.
You understand? So me have to look out. You can't look for yourself alone, you know. You have to look out for others too.
Yeah.
They bombard me for.
Yeah, man.
I bombard my brother them. We are getting little. You know, you know what? Make people know business. So me I go in.
Oh, you see, she want to go in.
Alright.
Give me.
Whoa. Come here.
Oh, alright, you feel going.
No, you can't crawl. You can't crawl him.
Just move the chair.
Let me know when I get up. Let me get up.
Oh, hold it.
Close this one. Come pull it. Hold on. Close it. Hold on. Take the palm brakes.
Pull it.
Pull next one. Come around. Just come to the middle. Hold on.
Watching it. I'm going to Rasta friend. You know Rasta friend, you know?
The Rasta that too.
Oh, you're married at the end. Then drop, put them on. Yeah, they get for the cleaner. Yeah, they know. That one's the person. You can't crawl on the night, but you can walk too far. He's hard, don't come on, that's what
help her with that one as well.
One. Yeah, they're pagina. Yeah, they're not.
So from the side, yeah.
Wait key for the door.
Yeah, come in. What are your friend John?
A friend of mine got a river and get washed away.
You ever come around here?
No.
Oh, no.
Different place.
Put up a wage, make a
River come down, man. Up at Castleton.
Castleton.
Water, you don't like stranger, you know?
Water. No, but
You don't like stranger?
Oh, St. Mary.
yeah.
Up the way the husband come from, you don't like stranger.
Oh.
That's why.
Which promise rest you reach here?
That's why the rest of my business. We want to like stranger, man. You have to know. Oh, yeah.
A lot of people get washed from up there, man.
Let me see, me can win this. Put on back in the pan.
Yeah.
More than one place Mary people talk about that.
Yeah, me dry it up.
More than one place Mary that story. Yeah.
You don't like him.
Come on, take that. Come on.
You don't like stranger. I'm your husband, me, yourself.
Your place is spiritual place.
St. Mary.
Yeah, but no.
Come down. So, yeah. See, I'm not here about an incident with pastor too. Yeah. Not sure then.
So there, Mama, see the water pretty man and look.
No, but I sign that.
Yeah, once you see it.
Yeah, and
Watching the side there, see the difference.
Because the water, the brown when them are going out, you know. So that means it was a sign that river come down.
Yeah,
when the brown shouldn't go in, I shouldn't take a risk.
Yeah, so the risk that then go take.
What rain can now fall here, so you know, but rain fall further up. Yeah.
Becky,
You see the water brown and still going there.
I mean, just feel like, just swim same way.
It's, you know, tough to talk about, you know. I'm a goalkeeper in a boom.
Yeah.
Now watch him, man. You can't see Sunday.
So, next time, yeah?
Yeah, man. You alright? Yeah. Feeling better? Yeah. Listen, Gerald, listen. She was just talking about you. Just talking about you. We just send the money for your booklets.
That'll be it afternoon.
Okay. Come here, come tell country thank you. Come take out the slippers.
Yeah, come tell country thank you.
Oh.
No, it's a shot up. I've done this.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Oh, daddy.
Yeah.
Why you put it up here?
No, man, so you're black this.
Come, take out the slippers. Come tell country thanks for the donation. Come.
You want slippers first, no?
Yes, you feeling better?
You feel better, Nikisha?
Yes. Tell me, Akina.
Them on the building, put more empire. Can't tell you, you're the man who take up from Jesus.
Alright, so my donation from country, which is $15,000, you know, to help out to the book list for the little girl.
Yeah.
So it's 15,000 from country.
Yeah.
From the USA.
1, 2, 3,
Get up.
4,
Feel weak.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
15.
Yeah.
From country from the USA.
Tell country thanks.
So tell country thanks, Nikisha. So thank you, country, for help me with my book list.
So thank you.
You shy today?
Nikisha, don't be like that, man. You say you want to talk to Nick, you know. Why you do that?
You shy today? Alright, she shy today. Alright? I'll let you off today, right?
Nikisha, say thank you,
She feels sick as well.
Say thanks, Nikisha. Say thank you. Say thank you to the camera.
Just say thank you.
Thank you. Nikisha, shame on you, man.
Shy.
Alright, she shy today.
I'll play with her, yeah.
Alright, so we'll give thank you to country, you know, thank you so much. You know, Nikisha, she's not feeling so well. You know, as our grandmother said, she was like having an upset stomach as well too. She came, so she wanted to sit down, so imagine that's not her. You know, so Grace, you can tell him thanks.
Thank you very much, country. May the Lord bless you and store basket may never run dry. And you may get more done what you're saying, more, more, more. God bless you.
Alright, man.
So I'm going to leave now. You know, Miss Gracie?
Alright, man.
Nikisha. Bye-bye. I'm going, okay? Next time. Alright, Gracie. Yes.
Yeah, my tall boss. Yeah. Big up, man.
Alright, my general. Huh? Tell your father, though. Yeah. Yes, you talk now. Oh, you talk now.
Say country town.
Say country, thank you.
Thank you. Say thank you. Nikisha, that's ungrateful. You're not to do that.
Nikisha, you just have to be telling your father, so tell country thank you.
Tell country thank you. Say thank you, country. Nikisha,
give me the money.
give me the money.
I'll go back for the money, yeah? So this is for buy your books, so I'm going to take it back, right?
Say thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Say country, thank you.
Country, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yes, thank you.
Alright then.
It's simple as that, thank you.
Oh. Yes guys, so we give thanks for the blessing for the blind brothers. Thank you, Will, to blessing the blind brothers them, for Patrick to get his radio, and also country. We thank you so much as well for blessing Miss Grace, a grandchild, for helping her with her back to school. So that is it. So we're gonna head back into town. Boca, look come on.
Yeah.
Link up down, so yeah.
Look alright. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.